Welcome back. Today I will walk you through the steps to verify your identity on Underdog Fantasy. If you are having trouble with this process, don't worry. We have got you covered. First, make sure you have signed up for an account on Underdog Fantasy. After signing up, you will see a notification prompting you to verify your identity. This is essential to confirm your eligibility to play, as some states have restriction. Once you have in, you will all need to enter your full address and personal details. You can do this on your phone or the Underdog Fantasy website. Make sure to input all required information like your social security number or tax and withdrawal process. Don't worry, Underdog takes your security seriously. If you encounter any issues, go to the Underdog Fantasy website and scroll to the bottom of the page to find the contact support section. Here you can either send an email or use live chat support for real-time assistance. Look for the live chat icon in the bottom right corner. And that's it. Now you know how to verify your identity on Underdog Fantasy. Thanks for watching.